What's going on YouTube? Steven, the Salon Guy, and in today's video we're talking about, do you need a blow dryer to style your hair? So to sum it all up, it's kind of yes or no, but it really depends on your hair type, your hairstyle, and there's a lot of non-professionals out there giving hair tutorial tips and all sorts of stuff, and I feel like I just want to share my input as a professional. And over the 20-something years that I've been a hairstylist, using blow dryers, I don't let a client leave the salon unless I'm blow drying their hair, because simply for me as a professional, if I'm not blow drying it, I'm not finishing the service, you know what I mean? Unless somebody says to me, I have a few clients say, oh no, Steven, like women, if I'm doing a hair call, they're like, oh, I'll leave it wet, or I'll towel dry it, make sure it's not dripping wet. But for men in particular, I feel that it's a very unique topic on YouTube, because everyone talks about, does heat damage your hair, and what does a blow dryer do? And everyone's so wrapped up with damage that, I've said in my videos in the past, heat itself does not really damage the hair like you think. The only way it's really damaging the hair is if you're using the tool improperly, meaning you're holding a blow dryer and you're singeing your hair with a round brush or a metal round brush, and it's just sitting there and you see smoke coming, and that is damaging your hair, yes. And over time, it could cause breakage and make your hair not really look as good and feel very dry. But if you're using a blow dryer properly and you're not singeing the hair, and you're kind of, just basically using a blow dryer the right way, you should be fine, all right? It depends on also the conditioner you're using, the shampoo you're using. Obviously, I have my shampoos and conditioners, which a lot of people seem to love. So those offer a lot of great benefits to the hair. Sometimes heat protection does kind of add a bit of layer to the hair, like if you're wearing sunscreen and you're going out tanning. So, products do help the hair. But now here's again, back to the topic at hand of this video, is do you need a blow dryer? So here's the types of hairstyles where I think you don't need a blow dryer. Okay, so when you have hair that is a little bit on the longer side, and it's got natural wave, natural texture to it, you can literally, get out of the shower, towel dry or blot your hair. Don't ever kind of rub it harshly with a towel. Blot your hair, and then you can let it just air dry. Put some product in it. This is something that a sea salt spray would work great on, or a styling cream would work great, or something light. Let the hair air dry. When you are putting the product in, the best thing you can do is to mold it into place. Mold your hair the way you want the end result to look, and then just let it air dry. This works great, again, on medium type hairstyles, and if you have a natural wave, you have an advantage, because the hair is just gonna kind of look great on its own. Another hairstyle is something like this. If your hair naturally is pretty much straight, a little bit on the more thicker side, and it has a little bit of maybe texture, a little bit of wave, again, you can let it air dry, get out of the shower, towel blot the hair, and this is pretty much what it's gonna look like if you let it air dry. Now, why would you use a blow dryer for something like this? Say, for example, if your hair is really dry looking or very frizzy, or it's a little bit curly or wavy, and you wanna get it straight, then you're going to need to put some work, and you're gonna need to blow dry it to get it to look like this. If your hair is just in great condition, there's no real frizz, it looks healthy, it's got a little bit of wave to it and thickness, and you've got a good haircut, then yes, you can just put some product in it and let it air dry, and it should basically look something like this. This is an old Jacksepticeye haircut that I did, so you can look this up on YouTube and you'll find it on my channel. But when you've got a haircut like this, I would suggest using a blow dryer to really style the hair into place, because a haircut that has its own style kind of cut into it, you're going to want to really make it look well and stand out. Something like this, not blow dry, will just look horrible. So when you have kind of cropped hairstyles, or hairstyles that are actually cut into something, then I would suggest using a blow dryer, and you can use like a paddle brush or some sort of vent brush to kind of smooth out the hair. And even if you don't even use a brush, you can use your hands, but as long as you're taming it and making it look like it's a little more neat and finished, then that's a good time to use a blow dryer. And then lastly, another style where the hair is, a bit more tapered on the sides here, but anytime you have some length on top and through here, and you're trying to create a textured look when the hair is maybe about 2 to 3 inches long throughout the top here. When you do blow dry it, it's gonna really get the best results. You're gonna get that lift, you're gonna get that volume, you're gonna be able to add some texture with your fingers in the haircut. When the hair is wet, remember, it responds very differently to hairstyles. You can't go like this and see the immediate results. When the hair is dry, that's when you're getting the results. That's why a lot of people, stylists do dry cutting, because you can see the results immediately when you're doing it. When the hair is wet, you're not gonna see this. You're not gonna get the volume, you're not gonna get the texture, you're not gonna get the lift that you're looking for. And that's why I suggest hairstyles like this, definitely blow dry it. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Let me know in the comments below if this cleared a few things up for you. If you have any questions about blow drying, about your hair, whatever it is, I appreciate it. Also, follow me on TikTok. I'm on TikTok. We're doing some really cool things on there. It's The Salon Guy. Also on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram, The Salon Guy, Twitter, Facebook, wherever. Everything is The Salon Guy. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time for more videos with The Salon Guy.